Oopsies, I got another Kelly. Do you know which one? Another bag, quota bag. Let's do an Hermes Selfridges haul. One of many Hermes hauls I have for you guys. Another quota bag adjacent. I don't know. Who knows? It might be, it might not be. But I got one. Actually, I got two of the same bag. But we'll do those in a separate video. Because I have a problem. Because I'm a shopaholic. What is wrong with me? Okay. So let's do a quick unboxing of what I got from the London store. What are the London stores? I got two things. Okay? Two little baggies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing from the London store. If that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I can give you the story time, but I've gone, it was Hermes Selfridges. You can only go to one Hermes store and create a wish list and profile, kind of like in the US. I mean, you can go to more than one, but you can only have one profile, I think. Again, this is only my experience from my time shopping at the stores. I'm no expert, I'm no connoisseur, I'm no affiliated with Hermes or anything like that. But from my understanding, this is what it is, okay? Also, quota bags are like, quota bag adjacent kind of things are different in every country and every you know, even every city, I think. Maybe not every city, but every country has different rules. From my understanding, again, like what's in the US might be a quota bag, might not be a quota bag in France, for example. So I went in a few times. I guess I am doing a story time, but if you want the full story time, let me know in the comments below. But basically, I had tried a few times, I didn't go, and then I got third time I got these two things, okay? One bag, one small other good, okay? So let's unbox. I already unboxed them, I'll just unbox them again for you guys. Okay, again, so already came back, so, you know, I saw this in the display and I asked if it was available and they were like, yeah. They had it in blue, and they had it in black, and I was like, oh, black. It is a little phone case, nondescript, super quiet luxury. Would never know if you know. With a little, it's got a strap, so you can make a crossbody, put your phone in there, lipstick, lip balm, whatever you need, cards in here, and AirPods. So like on the go, maybe while you're running, maybe while doing sports, I don't know. I just thought it was kind of cool and nondescript, because sometimes I need like not a nice bag, or not a big bag, or not a loud bag, or just want my phone in my wallet, or my phone and my cards. So I thought this would be cool, and I don't see many people with this, and I don't think I've ever seen it actually. So I thought, why not? I made a wish list here too. Fun fact, Selfridges is closing soon and they're gonna be absorbed into one of the other stores, I believe. Bond Street or Cadigan. They're getting absorbed into one of their stores. So anyway, I saw this. I asked for a few things the first day. They didn't have anything. They said, come back. You can try every day. They get bags, they get shipments. So I just tried the next day, and this is technically a quota bag in some places. Quota bag adjacent. Kelly family. A Kelly family. Another Kelly. I got another Kelly. Oopsies, I got another Kelly. Do you know which one? So, here it is. It's so cute. It's so cute, I got two. I didn't mean to, but I did. But I think I will either, my sister, my mom, or Andrew, somebody will get the other one. It is the Kelly Jump backpack. Ah! It's so tiny and so cute. And it matches what I'm wearing. So cute! Only thing, the palladium hardware is the only thing, like, but I don't think, I don't know. The other one was also with palladium. Everything that I saw was with palladium, but it's got a little AirPods case on the side, little bag, backpack. I'm sure you could also wear it like, kind of like, you know, or you could wear it like, I don't know, like this. I don't know. The backpack by itself is cute as a backpack. Okay, anyway, adjustable straps, love, very exciting. Hello, little friend. There's another one over there. You want to see it? Okay, fine. Oopsies, I got tootsies. I have a problem. I can't help it. Okay, anyway, that's that one. All right, I will go through. I'm going to do one unboxing per country, per place of everything I got. I got a lot. Yeah, I don't know. Hi, guys. It's been a minute, right? Or has it? I know I'm still so behind. I have so many other videos to do. Don't hate me. Okay, I love you guys. Okay, bye.